We will text the app. Well, this is my friends. Well, we will do this.
So the first step is to, maybe the first task is to join an event, right?
Yeah.
So the first step is to verify my student status. I click this. Oh, so this is home, search, and okay, I click verify. And I will enter my
Your email.
Okay. So when I click submit, it will take me to my student portal to verify. Okay, and then come back. Okay. So I will be take to the 4 options. So this 4 options is this besides rewards. Okay. So I click home. To this home page. This is seems like a page to find or join a nearby study event. So I can see the nearest. So this is recommended by the time or the distance.
This is the very close to you, the action.
Also, this is the distance or priority. Okay, so I choose the most nearby this. So I can show the map and navigate to the location. Okay. So maybe I will need to know how many page this event will give me in this page, so I can know whether I choose this or this.
Okay.
So I go to this place. I need to scan, right? So I scan this to earn. So there will be a QR code at that place. Okay, I scan and I earn the page. That's I join one event.
It's a very quick to enjoy this action. But if you want to more know about the detail for the whole action, you can do this one.
So maybe you can add a entrance here. So I can see the whole pool of events. That will be more of the events I can choose from. Maybe you can use this design and as
below the
as a whole navigation, whole system navigation, so I can easily transfer to other function.
Okay.
So other I need to post events, right? So I post event. What's the next? If I click this, maybe I need a form to fill the information to render this. Right? If I post, I supposed to have one event like this, right? Oh, this is a reward system. Maybe I can see how many page I earned and so I earn 4. I can redeem to some coupon, right? Okay. So maybe you should have some coupon regulation, like how many page equals to cafe coupon and how many page equal for this.
It's the location and
I know. So maybe this sequence needs to be changed.
Okay.
So I can easily connect this. I have another advice. You can have this scan page like here.
Okay. It's more clear.
And it has a create button here.
Okay.
Like the main action. This is QR code. I scan this to this. This is true. This is verify again. I can see my verified status and my current page and rewards. What does this mean? Reference and privacy.
Maybe you can clean this one and to after you want to create a new action or the
same process. That means only visible.
Because if you want to join with us
private,
and you can choose we have the same course or the same action.
So I can invite a specific group of people. I feel comfortable. Okay, that's very. I think this is very unique settings in your app. Activity post. I can understand post. I post connection. Where I don't remember I saved any slots. Maybe you can keep the same.
I will add this part.
So the rewards history, I can see. Maybe here you can have past rewards and the current rewards in one page. And does it means I need to give comments when I join our events, right?
Give the feedback. You will get more budget.
Okay, I understand. Okay.